Is it time to buy or sell B. Riley Financial stock? In this video, we will thoroughly explore B. Riley Financial. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 19th of September 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could affect your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be regarded as financial advice. Since the 10th of September 2025, our system has ranked B. Riley Financial as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.3. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. Those who followed our analysis would have enjoyed an impressive gain of 17.19% since we first listed B. Riley Financial as a buy candidate just 8 days ago. This translates to an average return of 2.15% per day since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that further increases are likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 71.49% in the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from 39.22% to 93.87%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis predicts a decline of around 6.37%. Based on our projections, the stock's performance could vary between negative 64.24% and positive 4.39% over the upcoming year. In practical terms, this places the future price between $2.41 and $7.05. Our latest daily update for B. Riley Financial includes the headline "High Volatility in B. Riley Financial Stock Price" on Friday, which ended trading at $6.75. The B. Riley Financial stock price fell by 5.73% on the last day, which was Friday, the 19th of September, 2025, from $7.16 to $6.75. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 11.92%, with a day low of $6.63 and a day high of $7.42. The price has risen in 7 of the last 10 days, and it is up by 35.68% over the past 2 weeks. Volume increased on the last day by 102,000 shares. Although this occurred alongside falling prices, this may serve as an early warning, suggesting that risk may slightly increase over the next couple of days. In total, 1 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to approximately $9,820,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.90, while the lowest price was $2.67. Currently, the price stands 14.56%, or $1.15, below the 52-week high, and 92.60%, or $84.49, below the all-time high on January 3, 2022, when the price reached $91.24. B. Riley Financial has been active this summer, implementing strategies to reduce leverage while also raising a short-term compliance issue. Management announced preliminary results indicating a robust profit outlook for the first half of 2025, with approximately $125 to $145 million available to common shareholders. However, the company is still working with a strained balance sheet following significant losses in 2024. The firm has managed to decrease debt through private bond exchanges and an amended Oak Tree facility. Additionally, it completed the sale of GlassRatner for around $118 million, which is expected to generate a one-time gain and enhance liquidity. On the governance side, B. Riley has engaged BDO USA for its 2025 audit, a decision that can help reassure investors. However, the company also reported a Nasdaq delinquency related to a delayed Form 10-Q, which poses a near-term challenge that could pressure the stock and increase volatility until the necessary filings and audit work are finalized. In the short term, anticipate some weakness in shares due to compliance risks and sensitivity to headlines. In the medium to long term, reduced leverage, asset sales, and enhanced audit oversight could support a higher valuation, provided management can maintain earnings and return to timely reporting. Analyst ratings. On Friday, the 13th of May, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities assigned RILY a neutral grade with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 11th of May, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities assigned RILY a neutral grade with a downgrade action. On Tuesday, the 10th of May, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities assigned RILY a buy grade with a hold action. On Tuesday, the 10th of May, 2022, it was reported that B. Riley Securities assigned RILY a buy grade with an initiate action. Analysts have assigned B. Riley Financial stock a general sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, analysts have also given the stock a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for B. Riley Financial. The B. Riley Financial stock holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general buy signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the short-term average is above the long-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support can be expected at levels of $6.73 and $5.81. A breakdown below either of these levels could trigger sell signals. Furthermore, a buy signal has emerged from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence near short-term developments. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Wednesday, September 17, 2025, and since then, the stock has declined by 10.36%. A further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, trading volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which could serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may interest you. Moving average convergence divergence, a buy signal. Pivots, a sell signal occurred 3 days ago. Bollinger Bands, a buy signal was issued 53 days ago. The short-term moving average, a buy signal appeared 10 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal was noted 9 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 6 days ago. When we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average, a buy signal, was given 9 days ago. The long-term moving average, a buy signal, was recorded 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 47 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for B. Riley Financial. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $6.12 and $5.79. There is inherent risk when a stock tests a support level. If this support is breached, the stock may decline to the next support level. In this instance, B. Riley Financial sees support just below today's level at $6.12. If this level is broken, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $5.79 and $5.27. This stock may exhibit significant movement during the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is deemed to be at very high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.79 between its high and low, which is an 11.92% change. In the last week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 12.24%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for B. Riley Financial, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to external factors beyond their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profits and raise concerns about potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for B. Riley Financial. in case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for B. Riley Financial is at $6.80. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, B. Riley Financial encounters its first support level at $6.12. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for B. Riley Financial from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 3rd of June, 2025, when Yesner Scott executed an insider purchase of 100,000 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $6.43, reflecting a decline of 4.68%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a considerable level of risk. Additionally, there is a sell signal stemming from a pivot top identified 2 days ago. Is B. Riley Financial stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, combined with a generally positive trend, indicate that this might be a good time to consider buying. There appears to be a fair chance for B. Riley Financial stock to perform well in the near future. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems suggest that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Monday, the 22nd of September, we expect B. Riley Financial to open higher by approximately 18 cents, starting at around $6.93. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from everyone here at Stock Invest.